Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a room tour of room 10310A. It is a Sea Terrace cabin on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Stay tuned, that's coming up right after this. Okay, so when you come to the room, you use your C-band and place it over the light until it turns green, and that unlocks your door. And then you go in. To the left, to the right as you walk in, there is the storage area behind the curtain. There's hangers and a little bench that has storage capability, so like 2 shelves. And then you have your light switches and everything here behind for the cabin. And then on your left is your bathroom, your thermostat control. Light switches right below the thermostat control for the bathroom. You have the toilet, a little trash bin down there, small storage area, a shelf for whatever, the mirror, sink. There's a towel bar, 2 towels behind the toilet. The shower door opens either direction. It has the nice rain shower head. There is hair wash, conditioner, and body wash. There's also the clothesline that can be spread across to hang your clothes to dry. And there's a cabinet.
I can fit in the closet.
Life jackets are in the cabinet. If you move the life jackets, you'd have a shelf there. And I have the towels there, but you could move the towels out, have a shelf there. The safe is on the 3rd shelf. Hair dryers on the 4th shelf. 5th, 6th, and 7th shelves are empty. So you have a total of, including the stool, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shelves that you could utilize if you move the life vests out of the way. And then as you come on into the room, there's the TV and the bed. The bed can also turn into a couch. Over here on the wall there is places to hang things. And there's more light switches there. You plug with 2 USBs and a regular 110. And over here is the counter area, mirror, and the tablet, phone, your water, your compass, your shades open and close with those buttons. And there's another storage area here with some smaller items and a mini fridge there behind the door. And then as you go out, There it is. Balcony. A couple of tables, a couple of chairs and a table, and a hammock. There's the port of Miami right there. And that concludes the room tour of cabin number 10310A on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Please remember to like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.